Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. Yeah, it's a little bit corrective still what's happening here. So I'm not entirely happy with the structure. Again, the XRP chart, I did highlight it so many times. It's a little bit of an unreliable one, probably not the best setups out there, but obviously it can be traded as long as the setups are holding. I'm starting to think that I need to observe it, but I'm starting to think we might have, and that would be the bullish interpretation, we might have another 1-2 setup here. Yeah, because this starts to look like an A wave down with the price information we have now. This WXYXZ just doesn't have the correct proportions anymore. And yeah, and it depends on what happens now really. So I could easily count it as an A wave down, a B wave up. It helps to recognize that this move up looks so corrective, yeah, and a C wave down. So it's not impulsive yet. Yeah, we are in a trend reversal area, and ideally trend reverses to the upside from here. But is it still my primary view? I can only tell you it's hard. It's difficult to maintain that view because it should have actually moved by now, or at least, the proportions don't look correct, especially with this high here, which cannot be another X wave because it moved higher than the previous one. So yeah, I mean, what would be the most, what would be a common way of looking at it? What would be a decent structure here for this correction? Well, I'm gonna take the WXYXZ out now because this is a pattern that normally doesn't show up anyway. And again, here it didn't really. So it was just the best we had at the time. With this price action that we have now, I would rather say that the move off this high at 58.2 cents was an A wave. This here could be a complete B wave with a C wave down. It really depends on what happens now. But let me first move those waves across here. Things we have so many waves, 3s and 4s. I mean, it should really start to rally, but I'm very cautious about the chart at overall, because this is one of the charts that still has a decent chance to make another swing low in this bear market, yeah, because the entire movement of the June low was just corrective. And yes, we start to move now, and I'm counting it bullish at the moment, but at the moment I'm very cautious, and therefore I'm only counting it as a B wave top, which could result in one more low afterwards. Not guaranteed, but for now I do, because so far any rally it did was just corrective. Okay, so we just need to be on the side of caution here. And yeah, ideally, an A wave down, a B wave up, and C wave down, depending on how low it goes. It really depends. So my primary would be, I mean, we can say as long as it's holding really the 47.8 cent level, I would focus on higher. Would this be then the right count? Maybe. Yeah, it could certainly still hit the 47.7 cent level and then rally. It depends what this B wave does, because the B wave could also extend higher still. That's the problem with B waves. B waves are among the most difficult to trade, because the B wave itself could consist of A wave, B wave, C wave, in a high B wave and then come down in C, finish off the fourth wave and then rally. Or, that's entirely possible as well, this was an A wave, this was the B wave, and we're now coming down in C. But if the C wave goes below 47.7 cents or 47.8, I would consider this rather a wave 2. So allowing for a deeper setback. The problem is if we do that, then it could also be bearish. Yeah, because I can count a 3-wave move up of the January low. So easy to say that all of this was a wave W, X, Y. And this Y wave is an A, B, C. And if we create an impulse down, we do something like that. So again, it's not the best setup. If you say, okay, there are too many options. Yes, there are many options. And that might be a hint that it might be worth focusing on other, that's the dog, by the way, sleeping. Nearly at the end anyway. That it might be worth focusing on other setups that are, or just going in with spot or something, right? But definitely having the risk management on the radar. All right, that's my update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.